3 easy steps to working with AI locally on your laptop. Step 1. Install Ollama. There are lots of tools that require a dozen complicated processes, but with Ollama, you just visit ollama.ai and click the download button. It's a tiny file, so should just take a few seconds. Open the file and then run the app inside. It will ask for some permissions and to copy to the right place. Now, you should see the cute little llama in your menu bar. Step 2. Run Ollama. The menu bar app runs a server that developers will love and will ensure Ollama is always up to date. But for now, you work with Ollama from the command line. So open a terminal and type Ollama run Orca. This is going to download the Orca model from a website with the crazy name Hugging Face. Meh, don't ask. It's a relatively small file, and this is the last time we need to touch the network. When it's done, it drops you into an interactive prompt. Step 3. Chat with Ollama. Ask it a question. Go wild. Learn to code. Learn to cook. Learn particle physics. The world is your oyster, and you should have fun with it. When you're done, press Ctrl-C to quit, and then run Ollama run Orca again when you want to chat. Try it on a plane, or a boat, or a train, or anywhere you have no network. It's truly amazing, and we can't wait to see what you do with it. Bye!